Okay, you want to help me tape this up? Okay, all we're trying to do now is just get it off the lift gate, so I can always move the truck then if I need to. Let me walk by, please.
Oh, the temptation. Anyway.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
All right,
Ready?
pull. Okay, I'll move the truck.
Okay. Now we're going to do it.
What we're going to do is I'm going to pull it in.
Okay.
We'll pivot it going back towards the house.
Mm-hmm.
I'll pull it right straight back.
Okay.
Then we'll turn it around and back it in.
Okay. Well,
So-
you got plenty of room in the middle.
Yes.
Yeah, see, I would have cleaned this out.
No.
Yes. I would have.
I'm going to bring it in relatively far. Okay, to me. All right, back to you. One more time. Ready? You ready?
Yes.
A little bit more. Keep going. You got it. Back up. Keep coming. All right. Well.
Gosh, that was fun. That's me hitting the light, by the way.
Hold that edge now.
Okay.
Whew. Turn off the freezer. Oh. There we go.
I was going to say, it hasn't been turned off since we installed it. I could hear the burner go off right away.
Yep. I'm thinking we might want to move this freezer out of here before we bring the other one in.
It's either that or cram it all the way. Well, there's two options. We could cram it all the way that way.
Yep.
And then all we have to do is spin it, and then make it really easy to offload. That has occurred to me.
The issue is we need to make sure that we can get this freezer out once the other freezer's in.
Yes. Well, it'll go farther to the right, which will help. And now that we've got everything set in here, we'll be able to triple check to make sure that we don't have to take that bottom shelf off. The cat is already unhappy because I have her countertop clogged up. She can barely jump up to get her food right now. Because I have some of the cases of jars that would normally be on the floor, on the counter, because I was trying to make as much floor space as possible so that... I assume you took that off because it's easier to get off the freezer?
Yes.
Okay. Does it not have a pivot nut at the freezer?
Does not appear to.
Oh, okay.
But it may also just be frozen because of being in here for so long.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm not sure we'll be able to take this out right now.
Because it's full.
Yep, that's what I say.
That's why I was saying, my thought was we were probably going to have to spin it. There's Henry on the floor again, yay!
Not yay.
But it's with a different freezer.
It is.
It's the new one. It's going to look very weird. It's 4 cubic feet smaller than the other one. But it's totally different dimensions. It's like 4 inches taller.
But way short. Narrower.
But way narrower. And part of the way narrower is the fact that this condensation coils and everything are on the back instead of on the sides.
Okay, if you turn the light, please.
The light is on. When you get done with that piece, if you'll show the flashlight on this one again and move your head to the left, I'll be able to get a shot of it. so the people can see what's
Here,
going on.
you grab. I'm gonna leak over here, so grab the flashlight.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it off.